Plus, dozens of keiki took to the beach today, sweating over shovels and plants. The national movement that they're bringing to the islands. We'll have that story when we come back.
Connecting Hawaii's youth through outdoor community service, it's the driving force behind a national initiative to preserve nature through first-hand education. And Honolulu was among the first to take part in the process, cleaning up a health hazard at Ala Moana Park. KITV4's Mike Cherry has more.
Oh, muscles! Come on, muscles!
With a little bit of sweat and a lot of teamwork, Ala Moana Park received a facelift this morning. Members of the YMCA and KUPU partnered with the city and county of Honolulu to rid the pond of the invasive mangrove trees and other debris. Volunteers planted a kuli-kuli, a plant native to Hawaii, used for ground covering.
It's showing respect for the Aina. I mean, we couldn't exist but for this beautiful place.
Taking care of Mother Nature is second nature for Casey Ching, who's a volunteer for KUPU. The organization received $57,000 today, which will send 20 aspiring environmentalists to work atop Haleakala National Park next summer.
We're the next generation, you know. We're at this point, it's going to be hard to see changes in our lifetimes. So it's important that the youth know about these changes and make sure that they're continuing to be implemented. Is definitely going to make sure that we have all these resources for many generations to come.
Today's project cut deeper than just aesthetics. It's also a springboard for First Lady Michelle Obama's Let's Move Outside campaign. In order to better fund the initiative, a $5 million grant has been divided amongst 50 YMCAs across the country. Honolulu was among the first to receive it and put it to work.
It's about having them connect, and it is also about exercise, right? So many kids today are indoors playing their different types of games. It's saying, come outdoors, use your hands for other things than playing a game.
Next up, the city and county will work with several nonprofits to discuss strategies and priorities for the betterment of Honolulu's parks and initiatives. That's set for a summit in October. Mike Cherry, KITV4 News.
Well, Honolulu's been selected as one of the first 50 cities to take part in the First Lady Michelle Obama's Let's Move Outside initiative. The program is designed to inspire millions of young adults to play, learn, serve, and work outside. The Department of the Interior, the city, YMCA, and KUPU all teaming up to encourage kids to get outside and to get active.
For the health of our colony and for our public lands, it is really critical that we work to establish meaningful connections between young people of all backgrounds and of all communities with the outdoors.
As part of the new initiative, a community coordinator position will be created at the YMCA to help plan some of the outdoor activities, and a $57,000 grant will be given to KUPU Hawaii to let kids visit and work at Haleakala National Park.
Coming up, young volunteers get down and dirty at Ala Moana Beach Park. Their environmental mission next on KGMB. Today, dozens of young volunteers joined city leaders for a service project to improve a pond on the Ewa side of Ala Moana Park. It happened after the Department of Interior, Mayor Caldwell, and the YMCA announced a new partnership. Honolulu has been selected as one of the first cities to participate in First Lady Michelle Obama's Let's Move Outside Youth Initiative. It's designed to get young people to play, learn, serve, and work outdoors.
Youth have grown a little bit more disconnected than in previously, and this is an opportunity to really connect people back to their environment and help form the stewardship.
The volunteers removed invasive mangrove tree from the pond and planted native a kuli-kuli.